Avocados are a nutrient-rich superfood that can significantly impact your health when consumed regularly. Eating avocados daily for 30 days can lead to numerous benefits, from improved heart health and digestion to enhanced skin and eye health. Here, we delve into 50 detailed changes that can occur in your body with a month-long inclusion of avocados in your diet. Improved heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. This balance is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and reducing plaque buildup, lowering the risk of heart disease, improving blood flow, and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Lower blood pressure. The high potassium content in avocados helps counteract the effects of sodium, which can help relax blood vessels and excrete excess sodium through urine, reducing the risk of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Enhanced digestive health. Avocados are high in dietary fiber, with about 10 grams per fruit. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing constipation, lowering the risk of colorectal cancer, and improving gut microbiota health. Better absorption of nutrients. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and antioxidants like carotenoids. This leads to improved overall nutrient intake and better support for bodily functions dependent on these vitamins. Reduced inflammation. Avocados contain phytochemicals and carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin with anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and autoimmune diseases. Weight management. The high fiber and healthy fats in avocados promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake, making it easier to manage weight, reduce overeating, and potentially lose weight. Blood sugar regulation. The low carbohydrate content and high fiber in avocados slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, leading to lower risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, with more stable energy levels. Improved eye health. The high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in avocados protect the eyes from oxidative damage and blue light, reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Enhanced skin health. The vitamins E and C, along with healthy fats in avocados, moisturize the skin and protect it from oxidative damage, leading to improved skin elasticity, reduced wrinkles, and better hydration. Stronger immune system. Avocados are rich in vitamins C, E, and B6, which are essential for maintaining immune function and fighting off infections, enhancing the body's ability to ward off illnesses and infections. Improved brain function. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like vitamin E in avocados protect brain cells and support cognitive function, resulting in better memory, sharper focus, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Reduced risk of depression. Folate in avocados helps prevent the buildup of homocysteine, which can interfere with the production of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, leading to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression. Increased energy levels. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados provide a slow and steady source of energy throughout the day, resulting in more sustained energy and reduced fatigue. Stronger bones. Vitamin K in avocados is essential for bone health, aiding in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, leading to increased bone density and reduced risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Improved dental health. Potassium and folate in avocados support gum health and help maintain a proper pH balance in the mouth, leading to healthier gums and reduced risk of periodontal disease. Detoxification support. Dietary fiber in avocados aids in regular bowel movements, helping to eliminate toxins from the body, resulting in better digestive health and reduced toxin buildup. Reduced risk of cancer. Phytochemicals such as carotenoids and antioxidants like vitamin E in avocados have been shown to reduce the growth of cancer cells, lowering the risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. Healthier hair. The vitamins and healthy fats in avocados nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth, resulting in stronger, shinier hair, and reduced hair loss. Better muscle function. Potassium and magnesium in avocados are crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation, leading to improved muscle function, reduced cramps, and better physical performance. Enhanced liver health. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocados support liver function and protect against oxidative damage, resulting in better detoxification processes and reduced risk of liver diseases. Improved kidney function. Potassium in avocados helps maintain a proper electrolyte balance, which is essential for kidney function, leading to reduced risk of kidney stones and improved overall kidney health. Anti-aging effects. Antioxidants like vitamins C and E in avocados neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, leading to a slower aging process, reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reduced risk of osteoporosis. Vitamin K in avocados is essential for bone health and calcium absorption, resulting in improved bone density and reduced risk of fractures. Boosted fertility. Folate and healthy fats in avocados improve reproductive health in both men and women, leading to enhanced fertility and healthier pregnancies. Improved mental health. Nutrients like folate, vitamin B6, and healthy fats in avocados support overall mental well-being, resulting in reduced anxiety, improved mood, and better mental clarity. Better sleep. Magnesium in avocados helps regulate neurotransmitters that promote sleep, leading to improved sleep quality and reduced insomnia. Healthier nails. The vitamins and healthy fats in avocados nourish nails, making them stronger, leading to reduced nail breakage and healthier nail growth. Enhanced metabolism. Nutrients like B vitamins in avocados support metabolic processes and energy production, leading to better energy utilization and improved metabolic rate. Better hormone balance. Healthy fats in avocados are crucial for the production and balance of hormones, resulting in more balanced hormones and improved overall health. Healthier pregnancy. Folate in avocados is essential for fetal development and preventing neural tube defects, leading to healthier pregnancy outcomes and reduced risk of birth defects. Improved vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin in avocados protect the eyes from oxidative damage and blue light, resulting in better vision and reduced risk of eye diseases. Stronger immune response. Vitamin E in avocados enhances the body's immune response, leading to better ability to fight off infections and diseases. Lower cholesterol levels. Monounsaturated fats in avocados help reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol, resulting in a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Improved circulation. Healthy fats and potassium in avocados support healthy blood circulation, leading to better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. Reduced risk of stroke. The combination of nutrients that support cardiovascular health also reduce the risk of stroke, resulting in a lower risk of stroke and improved overall cardiovascular health. Better joint health. The anti-inflammatory properties in avocados can help reduce symptoms of arthritis, leading to reduced joint pain and improved mobility. Healthier gut microbiome. The fiber in avocados supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, resulting in improved digestion and overall gut health. Improved endurance. The steady energy release from healthy fats and fiber in avocados improves physical endurance, resulting in better athletic performance and sustained energy levels. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Healthy fats and fiber in avocados help regulate blood sugar levels, resulting in a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Enhanced nutrient profile. Regular consumption of avocados boosts your intake of essential nutrients, resulting in better overall nutrition and improved health. Reduced menstrual symptoms. Healthy fats in avocados help reduce menstrual cramps and other symptoms, resulting in less severe menstrual symptoms and improved comfort. Improved cognitive development in children. Essential fats in avocados support brain development in children, resulting in better cognitive development and function in children. Healthier aging. The overall nutrient profile in avocados supports healthier aging, resulting in improved quality of life and reduced age-related health issues. Improved athletic performance. The combination of nutrients in avocados enhances athletic performance, resulting in better stamina, strength, and recovery. Better stress management. Nutrients in avocados help in managing stress levels, resulting in reduced stress and improved mental health. Improved thyroid function. Healthy fats in avocados support thyroid health, resulting in better thyroid function and metabolism. Reduced risk of gallstones. Healthy fats in avocados promote a healthy gallbladder, resulting in a lower risk of gallstones and improved gallbladder health. Healthier blood clotting. Vitamin K in avocados supports healthy blood clotting mechanisms, resulting in a reduced risk of excessive bleeding and better wound healing. Reduced risk of anemia. Folate and iron in avocados help prevent anemia, resulting in improved blood health and reduced risk of fatigue. Enhanced detoxification. The fiber and antioxidants in avocados support the body's natural detoxification processes, resulting in better overall detoxification and health. Incorporating avocados into your diet for 30 days can bring about a wide range of health benefits, contributing to overall well-being and improved bodily functions.